silence, waiting for the sirens, signs, any signs I'm alive still. I don't wanna lose it, but I'm not getting through this. Hey, should I pray? Should I pray? Yeah. To myself, to a God, to a Savior who can unbreak the broken, unsay these spoken words, find hope in the hopeless, pull me out of the train wreck, unburn the ashes, unchain the reactions. Now I'm not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out of the train wreck, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out, oh, pull me out, pull me out. Underneath our bad blood, we still got a sanctum home, still a home, still a home here. It's not too late to bring it back, 'cause a 1 in a million chance is still a chance, still a chance. And I would take those odds, unbreak the broken, unsay these spoken words, find hope in the hopeless, pull me out of the train wreck, unburn the ashes, unchain the reactions. Now I'm not ready to die, not yet. Pull me out of the train wreck, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out, oh, pull me out, pull me out, pull me out. You can say what you like, don't say I wouldn't die for it. I'm down on my knees and I need you to be my God, be my help, be a Savior who can unbreak the broken, unsay these reckless words, find hope